Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So see, now we are going to study this document splitting. Okay,
Okay.
so just a minute. It is a very important. It is very vital. See, document splitting. Like in new GL accounting, we have this one. We have five features, right? Six features we have. So document splitting is
Mm.
one of the features of the new GL accounting only. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see in its in its definition actually it is written like document splitting means document will be splitted, and in SAP document means
Okay.
journal entry. Whenever a document is posted, that will be splitted. On which basis? On the basis of business area. BA I have
Profit
written
center,
business area. Huh?
profit center.
Business area, profit center, and segment. On three basis,
Yes.
document will be whichever the document is being posted, whether it is GL document, payment document, or invoice document, billing document, whatever the document that will be splitted on the basis of business area, profit center, and segment. So see, and document splitting feature was not there in classical GL accounting. It has come in the new GL accounting only. Okay, so with the help of this, what happens? Document gets splitted on three bases. Okay, and why actually document splitting is required actually? So because for internal reporting purpose, we need to have the we need to have the details profit center wise to do the internal reporting, right? For same for business area, we need to do for the internal reporting. But for company code wise, if we want data, that is for external reporting. Okay, but
हाँ,
here we need on the basis of profit center, business area, and segment reports to do our internal reporting. Okay, to increase so that business can increase its profit, get maximize its profit, and reduce the cost, making cost, and that can be controlled. So that actually helps. We can get the business can get the report on the basis of document splitting when it is
Document
splitted.
split.
Okay, now you see this is the standard report. See, when the document will be splitted, then we should have some reports, right? So that we can see the details, like means on the basis of profit center, business area, and segment, we need to have the report, right? When it is splitted. So see, this is the
Mm.
standard report. Means this is the standard report S underscore PLO PL0 standard report, and here we can check our balances like profit center wise. See, you can see left side profit center wise. We can see the balances. We can see the balances segment wise, and similarly we can see the balances business area wise in this report. Let me take you to the SAP.
That is code.
Sorry,
That S underscore PLD is T code.
is T code, yes. Report T code. See the currency type, company code, and if I am giving this, I want to see on the basis of uh, profit center. Suppose I want to see report in 1,000 profit center. Okay, now here from which period to which period, from first to suppose from first to 12th, or from first to 6th, 7th, whatever we need. And this is our ledger. In ledger wise also we will get, suppose in 0L ledger we want, because we have three ledgers, right? So if we want in
yes.
Yeah.
IFRS, we want in US GAAP, we want in 0L leading ledger. So whichever the requirement, we will select these options for 12 and for 6 months. And here we will give this profit center and simply we will execute. This is the company code. See, in our company code LI01, still we have not done any posting, right? That is why I'm not, I'm taking another company code because we have not done any posting. Testing not yet started. So I am taking another company code which is having the transactional balances where the posting have been done. So just simply execute. Now see, in 1,000 profit center, In 1000 profit center, double click on the profit center. This is the balance, debit balance. This is the credit balance. Okay, and see the name of that profit center is Gulshan Sector 4 PC profit center. I can show you this profit center also. KE53. See, profit center is written, right? Profit center sector 04 and this PC means profit center. And the T code, don't write down. Let me just open this profit center so that you guys will not be confused. KE KE53 GCOA. Profit center is 1000. See, name of the profit center is Gulshan Sector 4 PC, correct? And profit center, this profit center is created with 1000. Okay, same we are referring, same I'm showing here to you guys. Okay,
Okay.
so here we can see the reports based on the profit center. So means document splitting, what document splitting did? Document splitting helped in splitting the document. Ultimately, eventually, what is the requirement? Means, business wants to have the reports profit center wise. That is why this document splitting is required. Okay, okay, understanding?
Yeah.
Okay, now see, this is what I have explained, like how to execute this report. You guys can you can refer this. I will share these notes. So now see, document splitting, document splitting,
You know that T code is
hmm,
underscore PLD
PL0, yes.
uh,
Yeah, this I will share.
86.
I
Okay.
will share this file. I will share it with you guys. I think please don't write. I will share this file with you guys. Okay. Even definition, no need to write. I will share. Okay. So now see, document splitting is, document splitting is done or it is activated, at client level. And if you want to deactivate for a particular company code, so that is deactivated. The document splitting can be deactivated at company code level. So it is technical from SAP side, means document splitting should be activated at client level. If you want to do the deactivation, then that we can do at a company code level. For a particular company code, we can deactivate this document splitting functionality. If you don't want to, if you don't want any, this document splitting, feature to work for a particular company code, then we can deactivate for a particular company code. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now see, in general, I told you guys like what is the meaning of document splitting. Then you can simply say in the interview, and it is from interview point of view, it is 99%. This question is asked. They ask, what do you mean by document splitting? So see, simply, who attends the interview, they simply answers, what they, everybody answers. It copies debit line item to credit line item. Everybody, answers the same this answer only. It copies profit center business area segment from debit line item to credit line item. It is very average answer. So means we need to answer in a different way and in a very detailed way. Okay, so that so that our answer will be different and we will get some extra weightage on the basis of our answer. So first of all, we need to answer, like if they will ask what do you mean by document splitting. First you say it is very vital or important features or one of the features of new GL accounting. Okay, now secondly you guys can say, like in its name it is written document will be splitted. So you guys can say document will be splitted on the basis of business area, profit center and segment. And why this splitting is required? Because we need to have reports to for the internal reporting. Okay, so
Okay.
that is why this splitting is required, because ultimately eventually we need, business wants to get the report. And this report, you guys, I'm just explaining, need not to need not to say this report in the interview. Just this this definition you can say.
Differences.
Yes. Now you can say like the document splitting is activated at client level and it can be deactivated at company code level. Okay. Now
Okay.
see, there will be some method. Splitting method is there. How splitting will happen? First of all, document splitting is configurational part. So IT consultant is going to do the configuration. Okay. So there is,
Okay.
SAP has given document splitting is having splitting method. Okay, so now,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, SAP has given this. You can see the screen. I have taken this screenshot. See, there is a splitting method. So whenever a consultant will do the configuration, he needs to tick this checkbox, document splitting, tick, and this method should be there. The method is, this is standard given by SAP, 8 times 0 and 12. So this method should be there. So consultant will make sure to select this, to take this method, and check this document splitting. Okay. Now inheritance,
Okay.
it should also be checked. So mainly in interview, if they will ask, what is the document splitting method you used? You can simply say, we configured this one, document splitting method 8 times 0 and 12. So this method is used for the document splitting. And this checkbox
Is
is also,
this standard code?
yeah, this is a standard method. 8 times 0 and 12 is standard.
Okay.
Yes. So we need to say, we means document splitting method is 8 times 0 and 12, which is a standard given by SAP, and there this checkbox should be ticked. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And now inheritance also should be ticked. So let me, just a minute, let me explain you guys. But only document splitting method is asked. So you guys are getting general idea about document splitting.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you need to be, you need to answer in a, very, in different way, in a very good way. Business transaction, document splitting. So if you want to see the definition of this, F1 or function key plus F1. So I will get the details of this, of a particular, I can get the details. Function key plus F1, if I will put, I will click, then I can get the details of this. That field I will get the details. See, you use this indicator to activate account assignment inheritance in document splitting. Okay. See, if we are using this inheritance checkbox, it is helping to active the account assignment inheritance in document splitting, to active account assignment in document splitting. Okay, and what is its use? With document splitting inheritance, document splitting characteristics of GL accounting are forwarded to line items that do not have assignments. For this, document splitting characteristics must be unique for a unique within a document. See, now what is actually they are telling? See, with the help of this inheritance, so if suppose we have whenever a document is posted, let's say this example, see this example. So inheritance, when we are checking this inheritance checkbox, so in the debit line item you can see profit center, and profit center is given, and in the profit center actually segment is there. Means in debit line item these profit center and segment are given, but in the credit line item it is not given, right? So with the help
Yeah.
of document splitting, it will be automatically copied. No need to copy it. It will be automatically copied with the help of document splitting. This is what the meaning of
In general.
inheritance. Inheritance, yes. Same thing it is telling, right? See, same thing it is telling. With the account assignment inheritance, document splitting characteristics for GL accounting are forwarded to lines that do not have assignments. Same thing it is
Okay.
telling, right? So means it will carry to the to the different line items which is not having the assignment of this profit center or segment. So with the help of inheritance we can get this functionality. Means in entry view, let me open this one document, then maybe you guys will understand in better way. FB03 is to see the our document list. This one. See, this is entry view. Entry view means what the business user has, these all the parameters business user has given. while doing the posting. Okay,
Hmm.
so means he has entered these details in the system, means it is entry view. Means while giving all these details, he has given only in the debit line item, profit center and segment. Okay, he
Correct.
did not give in credit line item and segment. But due to new GL accounting concept, we have this general ledger view.
Hmm.
Because this new GL accounting is configured, all features are configured. Then when we'll click on the general ledger view, then you can see it is copied from debit line. 9000 is 9000 profit center has been copied from debit line item to credit line item. Similarly, segment is also copied. So it is happening
Hmm.
with the help of document splitting, inheritance checkbox.
Inheritance.
Okay,
There
correct.
are any chances for credit item different VC?
Yes, yes, yes. We can same vice versa. Same functionality. Let's see here. You can see the credit line item. It is copied to debit line item. In another in my example, you can see it is now in credit line item. This is given 9000 and this segment. Now it is copied to debit line
Hmm.
item. Same functionality. Same behavior will be it will be with debit, and same behavior it will be credit.
Okay.
Okay. So this is happening with the help of inheritance checkbox, which is being checked at a time of activate document splitting configuration. This is the inheritance checkbox. So these they will ask only these three things are important. Splitting, they will ask what which splitting method you use. You can simply say we use splitting method 8 times 0 and 12, and this is a standard given by SAP. That's all. And they will ask how from debit to credit it is being copied in document splitting. You can say with the help of inheritance checkbox at a time of active document splitting configuration, inheritance checkbox is helping to copy from debit to credit, or from credit to debit, profit center and segment. Okay,
Okay.
clear
Okay.
now? Till now clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything is logical and straightforward, right? Now
Yes.
splitting method is there. Now see, we need to we need to assign this splitting method to our GL account, and we need to assign this splitting method to document type. Okay, now how it will be assigned? See my this example. uh, Actually this is a part of configuration. I will do this configuration in the system, but first, starting the configuration, I want you guys to please have understanding. Okay, so splitting method should be assigned to two things: to our document type and to our GL accounts. Okay, see in this example, this GL account, this document method should be assigned to both GL accounts. Then only it will work, right? This document splitting feature will work. So we need to assign the
Yeah.
splitting method to GL account and document type. So see how it can be assigned to GL account. First, let's see this. So it is also a part of configuration. Classified GL accounts for document splitting. Okay, this is a part of configuration. So we have like we created chart of account, and in the chart of account
Hmm.
we have classification for one series. We have created one series for liability, two series for asset, three series for expense, three series for income, four series for expense. Correct. So we need to,
Yes.
SAP has given various category, document splitting category. So we can assign to corresponding and respective item, document splitting category, to according to their nature of the GL account. So let's suppose if GL account is balance sheet, so we need to assign this balance sheet related, liability balance sheet related 1000 item category is given for document splitting. So we need to assign to this range 1000. Okay, balance sheet liability account, we need to assign 1000 item category, document splitting item category is 1000. If it is for asset, so we need to assign 7000 item category. Okay, so this one is
Okay.
actually wrong. This one, it should not be like as how asset has come to, asset should not come in here, because asset is two series, right? We have defined asset with two series, so it is wrong. So see, now this one 15,000 in our case also, it is for vendor, because it is also vendor is also liability, part of liability. So when for vendor it is
Hmm.
item category is 3000. Okay, so these all item category no need to memorize. Just you guys can memorize 3 and 4, like 1000 for liability balance sheet, for vendor 3000 item category, document splitting item category, for customer through 2000, okay, for revenue 30,000, for expense 20,000. So these all are the item category. We need to just we need to remember only 4 and 5 item category. So these all item categories need to be assigned with our range, GL account range. Then only at a time of posting, document splitting will work.
Okay.
Okay. So this is first assigned item. See, splitting method needs to be assigned to GL account. How it will be assigned? With the help of item category. With the help of item category, splitting method will be assigned to GL accounts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now see
So
next
item
one.
category, basically it is related to all the liabilities and expenses, huh?
No, item category. No, item category is for document splitting. Item category we are assigning for all category, right? All, see, item category we are
Okay.
assigning for liability also. Item category we have assigned for asset also. See, for asset also we have assigned. Item category we have assigned for material also. Item category for we have assigned different these all are the document splitting linked item category. So we are
Okay.
assigning for revenue also, we are assigning for expenses also. So actually the reason behind it, we need actually with the indirectly we are assigning splitting method.
Hmm.
Is a splitting method we are assigning with the help of item category to all the GLs. We are assigning to our range, okay, GL range, okay, and these
Okay.
all are the item category. These all item category document splitting related item category have been given by SAP standard. SAP has given a standard item category, so we need not to
Okay.
define any custom. These all, in real time business also, these all standard item category are enough to use. Okay. So we will
Okay.
assign this, and respective, it will be, it will document will be splitted when posting will be done. Like if vendor related posting will be done, then it will be splitted. When asset related posting will be done, it will be splitted with the help of this item category. And with the help of this item category, this account document splitting method is also connected, right? Now see, document splitting method is assigned with document type. So see, right now we are studying this one. We are studying which topic? We are studying GL, right?
Yes.
We are studying GL. So for GL, essay is the document. For GL document, essay is the document type. We know, correct? We define the number ranges. You remember the document type essay, and for the GL reversal, AB is the document type. So for that,
Yeah.
SAP has given, these all are the SAP technical things. Like SAP has given transaction variant transaction 4 times 0, variant 3 times 0 and 1. Transaction meaning of transaction is unspecified posting, and variant means this standard. You can simply say, to assign this splitting method to document type, we need to assign variant to the document type. Simply you guys can say, and which is standard. Just simply say we need to assign transaction and variant to the document type. Let's say for asset document type, transaction is 4 times 0 and variant is 3 times 0 and 1, which is standard. And for the C, for vendor invoice, for vendor invoice, transaction is 0, 300, and variant is 3 times 0 and 1, correct? For vendor payment, C, transaction is 1000. So with the help of these all transaction and variant, what we are doing, actually we are connecting a splitting method to document type. Okay. With the help of these transaction and variant, we are assigning, what we are assigning indirectly, we are assigning document splitting method to our
Document.
document type, correct? So in interview, you guys can simply say, we need to assign this transaction and variant, which is given standard given by SAP, to our document type. Let's say for GL document type is SA, we will assign this transaction 4 times 0 and variant triple zero and 1. Okay. They will ask, what about vendor? So you can say for vendor invoice it is 0, 300, but they will not ask this much detail. But I'm explaining you guys, like, you can simply say with the help of, we need to assign transaction and variant document type. That's enough. They will not, deep down, but you can remember also in detail if you want. Okay. So we have assigned document splitting method to GL account with the help of item category. We have assigned document splitting method to document type with the help of transaction and variant. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
So I'm proceeding further. Okay, okay. So document splitting is clear, definition is clear, and then document splitting method, how document splitting is happening, how it is copied from how from debit line item
Debit line.
profit center and profit center and segment is getting copied from from debit line item to credit line item with the help of inheritance. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see, there are actually there are three types of document splitting. Okay, there are three types of document splitting. First one is active splitting. Okay, what is the meaning of active splitting? See, whenever a document is posted, whether it is invoice document, GL document, payment document. See, I have taken the example of GL document. So whenever a GL document or any document is posted and it is a business user has given only in the debit line item profit center and segment, and they have not he has not given in the credit line item profit center and segment, then it will be copied. It will be automatically copied to credit line item when we will see in the general ledger view. In entry view, it will show like this only, but in general ledger view, it will show it will be copied. Okay,
Yeah.
like which I have, you can see the business user has given only in the debit line item profit center and segment, but now we have, due to new GL accounting concept, we have general ledger view. Okay,
Mm.
which was not there in
Yes.
classic. So when we'll click on the general ledger view, now it is automatically copied. How it is copied? With the help of active splitting. Now you guys should not say document splitting. You guys should say it gets copied with the help of active splitting. Okay.
Okay.
Now, now see, now another scenario. This is the first scenario. From debit to credit, it is copied. Now, if the business user is giving in the credit line item, profit center and segment. So see, in the general ledger view, it will be automatically copied to debit line item, profit center and segment.
Okay.
Okay. Now see the third scenario. Now see the third scenario. Debit credit we covered in active splitting. Now third scenario, a business user has given in debit line item different profit center in means a business user is having two lines in debit line, correct? Suppose
Hmm.
from a vendor, we are taking, this is the vendor Jugna Trading Company, and from this vendor two services at a single time, two services are being purchased. One transportation service and second one is advertisement service are being purchased at a single time. Okay, so we will business user SAP has given this functionality in a single invoice can be posted at a single multiple line items we can use. So see, for debit line two lines are used. Okay, for transportation and for advertisement, two debit lines are used, and from the single vendor, and vendor is credited, and these are the expenses which are debited. Okay, now business user has realized, so transportation debit line belongs to 9,000 profit center within a same company code, and advertisement GL belongs to 1,000 profit center.
Okay.
Okay, means let's say
Yeah.
example, there is a Reliance Digital. Okay, so Reliance Digital having two branches in Gachibowli and in Banjara Hills. Okay, now business user will will put like suppose this one 9,000 is Gachibowli and 1,000 is for Banjara Hills, this profit center. So business user will give profit center like that only. Okay,
Yeah.
so now in credit line item, he has not given anything. He has kept in vendor line item, he has kept profit center and segment blank. Okay, and now he has simply posted the document. So in the general ledger view, you can see this one lakh is the our invoice amount, right? This amount has to be
Hmm.
paid. So 1 lakh will be splitted on the basis of profit center, on the basis of profit
And
center.
the
See, yeah,
hmm.
for our expense,
Hmm.
respective expense, transportation 60,000 is splitted with 60,000. See, and it has gone to 9,000. These two has gone to their respective profit centers. Means 60,000
Okay.
has gone to 9,000 in both the line items. 40,000 has gone to 1,000 in both the line items. So it is splitted with the help of active splitting.
Okay.
Now see, let me, if I will show you in the SAP system also, 19,025. Okay, this is the document. Clear, right?
Yes.
See, business user has given this and these parameters while doing the posting. Okay, but when he has successfully posted the document, when the document
Hmm.
number is generated after posting, we can see the general ledger view, and you see, let me split it. Let me let me do the subtotal. Now you see this advertisement has come, and this one, this trade payable, this vendor is also splitted with 40,000 in 1,000 profit center, and for profit center is there. I have done the subtotal. That's why it is showing. It is there only. Okay, and this 60,000 has is also splitted with 9,000.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have done the our active splitting. Okay. So
Hmm.
I am proceeding to zero balance splitting. Now
Okay.
see, active splitting definition, you guys can simply say it copies when a business user is giving in debit line item, a profit different a profit center, and it is he is keeping blank in credit line item profit center or business or profit center. Then with the help of active splitting, it will be copied to credit line item, and same vice versa. Same it will be there for credit line item. So
Hmm.
now zero balance splitting. See, when in the debit line item and in the credit line item, different profit centers are given. Okay. When in the debit line item and credit line item, different profit centers are given, then zero balance
Yeah.
clearing account will be will come into the picture. Okay. Now see, you guys note, see one thing. Uh, say see now we actually profit center wise they are also doing the accounting, right? They need to have the reports. They are generating the reports, P&L and balance sheet, profit center wise also, right?
Yes.
Correct, logical, right? So see, now
Ah.
they are, but company code is same. Within a same company code,
Hmm.
they are doing this posting. Transportation expenses they are paying through cash. So they have booked this 60,000 in 1,000 profit center, okay, expense, and they have booked this 60,000 cash in 9,000 profit center.
Hmm.
Now see, company code wise accounting is being prepared. It is okay, debit is equal to credit. Correct. From accounting point of view, I'm explaining actually. Debit is equal to
Hmm.
credit. But for you guys, can tell me, you guys can think, profit center wise, this accounting concept is not correct, because accounting will always have dual effect.
Yes.
Correct. Means
It
accounting
will
will
hit both
always have.
accounts.
Hmm?
It will hit both the profit center codes.
Yes, both it should hit, right. But
And
but since company code is as per the company code,
same.
this dual effect is getting fulfilled. But now
Correct.
business wants the report on the basis of profit center for internal reporting.
Profit center.
So for that
Hmm.
purpose, this requirement, we need to meet the our see, we cannot have like our report will be, there will be, there will be, report is incorrect even for internal reporting if we are preparing the report. So that will be mean only trial balance or debit balances will have 1,000, means expense account
Only
P&L
one
will have
line item.
only one. Then our profit and loss account will not be correct, right?
Correct,
Means
correct,
we
yes.
need to have dual effect. Even for internally if we are preparing profit center wise, we need to have the dual effect. Okay, so that is why, to nullify this effect, zero balance clearing account has come into the picture. To nullify the effect in 1,000 profit center, we need 60,000 as credit. So that will be fulfilled with the help of zero balance clearing account. And in 9,000 profit center, we need to have debit line with 60,000. So how it will be fulfilled? With the help of zero balance clearing account. Very logical, very accounting point of view. Same accounting point of view we are discussing. Okay. So this SAP has given this zero balance clearing functionality to nullify the effect of debit line item and credit line item, because the different profit centers are given in both the line items. Correct?
Okay.
Sudhir, you also clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now see, uh, Now this is the first scenario I have given, different profit centers. It got nullified with the help of zero balance clearing account. Zero
Okay.
balance, okay. Now our profit and loss account, when the business is preparing P&L account, on profit center, on the basis of profit center, why means not profit center, I mean profit center level. Then now accounting, from accounting terms, report will be correct. Now scenario two. Now see, if business area also we are giving different in both the line items,
Mm-hmm.
same, it will be same, it will be, because see, business, now business, a particular company code of business wants to have the report business area wise. So same functionality, it will be, zero balance will come into the picture if in the debit and credit line item different business areas are given. Okay.
Okay.
Now our zero balance clearing account is also completed. So see, we should not answer like it is only document splitting. We should answer this is zero balance splitting. With the help of zero balance splitting, it is happening. Okay, the splitting is
Mm.
happening. Now the third type of document splitting is passive splitting. Okay, see, when in same active splitting functionality I'm explaining here, you see, in both the, suppose we are purchasing one, from Jugnut trading company, two services are being taken, or are being purchased: transportation service and advertisement service. And business user has given, as per the requirement, different profit centers in the debit line items. Okay. Now when this invoice is posted, so it will be what will happen in general ledger view. Active splitting will work. Okay, same which I have
Right.
explained earlier. So till now active splitting will work at a time of invoice posting. Okay, see, different profit centers were given when the business user posted in debit line items. So it will be copied to, means our this Jugna trading will be splitted in two parts, dividing, on the basis of profit centers, 1000 and 1100. Okay. Now when see, this invoice has to be posted, means the vendor should be given, the vendor will be given, will be paid, right? So how much he will be paid? He will be paid 1 lakh only, right? Correct.
Correct.
He will be paid not 1 lakh. He will be paid in this scenario 8,000. 8,000 he will be paid. But from profit center, in profit center 1,000 he should be paid. From this profit center he should be paid 5,000, and from profit center 1,100 he should be paid 3,000. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Now at a time of payment posting, business user will not give any profit center. He will simply go and simply give this one, means he will simply give this vendor account, he will select, and he will select the either bank or cash account. He will simply select the vendor account and cash, and select the cash and bank account, from which account he want to make the payment, whether from cash or bank. Once he will, means at the time of payment posting, he will not do anything. He will just select the vendor, and he will just give the this cash or bank account. System will automatically take care about these profit centers. Okay. And
Okay.
how system will take care? With the help of passive splitting. Okay, getting my point?
Yeah.
See, means at a time of payment posting, business user will not give any profit center in business area or segment. He will just select the vendor and how much amount he wants to pay, and he will give the clearing account like cash account or bank account. System will automatically, from the active splitting, system will automatically pick the respective profit center and segment, and system will clear according to the profit center and segment. Means pass it is getting triggered with the help of passive splitting.
Okay.
Okay, let's suppose, see, let me post one invoice. You guys, maybe I think you guys are not clear. FB60, I'm posting one vendor invoice, huh? Okay.
Hmm.
See, this is suppose my vendor.
Okay.
Vendor vendor invoice document. Total is 8, suppose 1 lakh. Suppose two services, transportation and one, two services I'm taking, 60,000, 40,000. There can be multiple GL account at a single, in a single document also, but I am right now, but just I am taking two. Business area, let's suppose this is my, I am taking this business area, Jharkhand business area I have taken. So now let's suppose this is 1000 and this is 9000. It can be any other 2000, 1100, and company code is
Hmm.
GI01. Okay. So now,
Okay.
okay, so see, please see, business user, as per the business requirement, he has given in in debit line item two different profit center, and he is purchasing from single vendor only. Now business user is posting, okay, as per the requirement. See, now I'm posting. I've simulated. Now I'm posting. Now I will display you this document. Okay. See, 60,000, 40,000. This is entry view. When I will have the general ledger view, the document is splitted. How this splitting happened? Which method of splitting happening?
Active splitting.
Active splitting,
On
right?
the basis of active
Active
splitting.
splitting. Okay. Now, see, this vendor should be paid, right? 1 lakh, because services are purchased.
Hmm.
So we are
Hmm.
going to make the payment. Business user is going to make the payment to vendor. Okay. I will show you later this. Just I am explaining you how the passive splitting is working. So see, this is the uh, bank data or
Bank
cash
account.
data, bank data or cash data. I know the 1 lakh is the amount. We need business user know, business user knows the 1 lakh is the amount. Open item we know. Open item means, see, this is the account type. Account type K means vendor. Account type D means customer. This all I will explain. And account type XS means GL. So here we are
Mm-hmm.
going to make the payment to vendor. That's why I am selecting K.
Mm.
Correct?
Okay.
I am selecting
Okay.
K, and this vendor, I have given this vendor account. Okay.
That is vendor code, right?
Vendor code. Yes. See, let me do F4. No problem. Suppose if I don't know, if business user does not know, or I don't know the vendor code, so I will do the F4. But account type should be K. If it is customer
Hmm.
related, then it should be D.
Okay.
See, vendors by company code GI01. My company code F4. This one is our vendor. This one, Jugna,
Okay.
is our
Trading.
vendor. Yes, Jugna Trading. I will select this. Okay. Now I have, see here, profit center option is there. I am not
Hmm.
giving any profit center business area. Simply I am proceeding. Okay.
Hmm.
How much is our amount? Our amount is 1 lakh, which we have posted today. And okay.
Yes.
And that document was 27. So here I will activate it. I will explain these all things, and let me simulate it. See, I have simulated how? Just I have simulated. See, profit center in business area have not come. Sorry, business area has come, profit center has not come. See,
Yeah.
now I'm going to post it. I have showed you guys, I have not given any profit center. But system will pick the profit center, indirectly with the help of document active splitting, it will be triggered. And that is called as passive splitting. Now let me display this document. Business user has not given any profit center while posting. When I will click on the general ledger view, see how this
But
profit
there
center.
is option not to give. It's optional to give or not.
No,
While
but why we will give? It is already being taken care, right?
yeah.
See, why we will give? That is happening, right?
No, while payment posting.
While payment posting, option was there, correct? Option is there. See,
Yeah.
option is
Yeah.
there, but there is no
Hmm.
need to give, because document splitting is already taking care of, right?
Okay.
Why we will
Okay.
give? If suppose if, because no need to give, because document splitting, passive splitting is already taking care. But
Hmm.
option is there. Option is there. You are correct. Option is there, but no need to give, because this is passive splitting. Passive splitting is taking care of this profit center. You know,
Okay.
means the amount is going to is getting updated to profit center in both the debit and credit line items. See,
Okay.
so this is passive splitting. Means passive splitting works at a time of payment posting, or at the time of GL clearing. This is the payment posting I have shown. If you guys are doing any GL clearing also, like that time also this same way it will work. GL clearing means there should
Okay.
be one open item and that should be cleared. Means right now just you guys understand, like you guys understood, right? Passive splitting, how it worked.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need to do configuration. We need to do this 6 configuration, document
Once
splitting.
go up, no, our passive
Huh?
splitting definition is there. Once
Yes.
we'll see.
Yeah. At the time of payment, at the time of payment posting, payment
No passive,
posting, huh? Passive.
passive
Sorry, sorry,
splitting.
sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, 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 sorry. Passive splitting. See,
Mm.
when in two debit lines different profit center are given, or and in credit line it is kept blank, then it works at the time of payment or clearing and vice versa. Suppose same thing, like in the debit line if you are giving different profit centers, in the credit line we are keeping it blank. Okay. Or so let's
Okay.
say we have one debit only and two credits, same vice versa it will be done. So
Oh,
first here active splitting will work. First it will active splitting will work, but at the time of clearing or at the time of payment passive splitting will come into the picture automatically.
okay.
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 Now payment, at the time of payment or clearing, this is now it is completed. Our this our you guys have understood active, zero balance and passive, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So see, this is very important topic, very important topic. So they will ask, in the interview, they, it is very often it is asked. I mean, 99% they're going to ask in the interview. So and they will ask the configuration also.
Oh,
Okay. So now let's start this classify GL accounts for document splitting. So same, which we need to assign here, what item category, document splitting related item category to our GL accounts range. Okay.
okay.
And so first let's move to configuration.
What is the first one? Classify.
Classify, classify, yes, please write down document splitting configuration, please write down. First one is first configuration is, please give subheading, classify GL accounts for document splitting. Classify GL accounts for document splitting. So this one, let me copy, copy, paste. Control Z, Control Z, Control X. Hmm. Control C. Control Z. Control Z. Hello.
Yes.
You guys have any doubt? Then ask me. No problem.
No, no, no. Clear.
Clear now, because this is a very important topic.
Yes.
We are writing that configuration inside headings.
Okay, okay, no problem. I thought you guys are discussing something. If I have any doubt, then you guys please ask me. No problem.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, please write down first one. Classify GL accounts for document splitting. And write down the path also.
Wait a minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Connection.
Classify GL accounts for document splitting. First configuration.
Yeah.
Okay. Path is SPRO.
Hmm?
Hmm.
SPRO,
Uh,
financial accounting new.
yeah.
Financial accounting new. Then general ledger accounting new. GLAC new. You guys please write down GLAC new. General ledger accounting new.
General ledger.
Accounting new. General ledger accounting new. After that business, after that business transaction.
Okay.
After that document splitting.
Bro,
uh,
after general ledger accounting new.
After general ledger accounting new. After that business transactions. Okay. After that document splitting, business transaction, document splitting. After that classify GL account for document splitting. After document splitting, after that classify GL accounts for document splitting. Okay. So now, okay, now click on execute. Am I audible?
Is there any T code?
No, T code is not there actually. Let me try to find. T code is not there. Let me try to find out. IMG activity. No, T code is actually not there.
Okay.
Okay. So now execute. Class, you have guys have written right? Classify GL account for document splitting. Execute.
Yes. Yes.
After execution, give our chart of account. Give chart of account LOCA. Give chart of account LOCA and hit enter. Okay. Now uh, click on new entries. After coming inside, click on new entries. Okay. So see, I have copied in Excel. So I'm just going to, you guys can also copy from Excel only. Okay. Because manually typing is, it will take time. So no need to, type, because one by one, it will take time. So just simply what I'm doing, I am copied from Excel and pasted here.
Hmm.
Okay. 07. So these all details, you guys please write down, refer the Excel for this. Refer the Excel notes. What is this error?
Does not exist.
Okay, okay, correct. This error is correct. Actually, this is 1000. I have given like this. These all are actually, I don't know how it has taken wrongly. I have copied correctly, but it has taken wrongly. Don't know why. Let it be. I'm doing it again. because it is wrongly copied. So let me copy it again. Control V, Control. See why it is again and again copying, again and again coming triple line. In Excel, it is not like that. Let me copy one by one. Control C, Control V. Again, same issue.
Copy one column. One row.
Yes, yes. Yeah, and two. Control C, Control V. Two.
అంటే ఇవన్నీ జిఎల్ కోడ్స్ అండి.
ఇవి జిఎల్ కోడ్స్. ఇవి ఏంటి మరి ఇదేంటో అదేంటి
అడుగు ఒకసారి.
ఇది జిఎల్ సిరీస్ ఇచ్చాం కదా ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు దిస్ రేంజ్ ఇది. ఇదేమో డిస్క్రిప్షన్, ఇది ఇన్కమ్. సపోజ్ ట్రేడింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అనుకో, అడ్వర్టైజింగ్కి కోడ్ ఇచ్చామనుకో, అది
ఈ పెన్ ఉంది.
ఏమవుతుంది?
Now again, see, actually these are the range. Okay, so depending upon their range, this item category SAP has provided standard, so that system will do respective splitting. As per the document type, as per the GL account. If it is balance sheet, then balance sheet category will be assigned. Okay. If it is material related GL, then that should be treated as a the document splitting will take care of that.
అది ఎక్స్పెన్స్ జిఎల్కి రేంజ్ ఇస్తున్నాను అంతే. ఈ లోపల నేను జిఎల్ కోడ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఇక్కడ 1000కే ఇచ్చారు చూడు. ఈ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి 1, 2, కానీ రేంజ్ 10,000 వరకు ఇచ్చాడు. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్లో 11,000 టు 12,000 వరకు ఇచ్చాడు. అబ్బా ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ చేస్తావా ఇప్పుడు అట్లా?
So now till now 2600 we have done. Now
ఓకే.
let me copy after that from 2700. Okay, Control V, Control V, Control C, Control V. Tomorrow you guys have means office, or means you guys have holiday tomorrow?
ఆఫీస్ హాలిడే వై?
Because in Saudi we have holiday. That's why. Saudi National
అచ్చా
Day.
అచ్చా.
That is I thought. So tomorrow if I can also teach, if you guys have time.
నో నో ఆఫీస్.
Okay. Okay. So I have assigned this respective item category to the respective GL range. Okay. For revenue, for expense, for customer, for balance sheet liability, for asset. Okay.
యా.
So it will actually, what we are doing, we are assigning the document splitting method indirectly. That connection is we are making, so that GL account document splitting can be done. Okay, so simply write down, after that save it. We can simply save it. Okay, now second, please write down, save it, say save in the respective TR, and come back, save and come back, and give the second heading, give second subheading, classify document types for document splitting, classify document types for document splitting. Okay, execute, classify document types for document splitting, execute.
Same path.
Same path, yes, same path,
Yes.
same path, same path, and execute. After that, please write down execute. And now see here, SA and AB is already there. You can write down like this: SA as a document type SA, description is this, GL account document. You can see the screen. Transaction is 4 times 0, variant is 3 times 0 and 1, which and the meaning of this transaction is unspecified posting, and meaning of variant is standard. So SA and SA, you can write down document type SA below, like that. You can, the way in the screen it is visible, or I have written in, I have sent in the Excel. See, no need to write. Actually, I have I have provided in the Excel. No need to write. You can write down, refer Excel.
So is it system driven or
Huh? What system?
this data?
Automatically, these are in the system only, right?
Yeah, yeah. Automatically, it is actually standard given, so we need not to do anything. It is a standard. SAP has given only these all by default. This configuration is there, so we need not to do. We need not to do configuration for this. Just, but we are
Okay.
checking whether it is available or not. If it is not available, then we need to do the configuration. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suppose a license is purchased, and that time we need to make sure, if something is not there, then we need to configure, right?
Yeah.
So that is why I'm checking. That is why I'm telling guys to write down, like, if it is not missing, then we need to configure from the list. See here, list is
Okay.
there. List is there. Suppose if for asset document something is missing, or if new license is purchased, or someone has done any changes, then we can do F4. We can make the changes. But we should be knowing, right? Like it is means this variant should be used for asset document type. This transaction should be used for asset document type. But in our case, we can see it is already configured even by SAP. So we are not doing anything here, but we are checking. Now, third configuration, please write down. Third configuration, define zero balance clearing account. Define zero balance clearing account. See, in the previous, actually for AB document type also, I forgot to tell you guys, AB is the reversal, right? So
Yes.
we have checked AB also in the system. We need to check AB document type also. So I forgot to tell you guys. See, AB also. AB is nothing but a reversal document type.
So for every document type, there will be a corresponding reversal entry defined already.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it will be defined. But we need to check in the document type. Suppose for KR also we need to check. We need to go to document type configuration. Suppose for
Uh-huh.
KR, OBA7 is the T code. So let me show you document type. Mm, it will be there by default. It will be there because KR is also standard document type. SAP has only given. So it will be there. Reversal document type will be there. OB A7.
And these document types, will it be
Hmm.
defined by the client or the consultant itself? I mean, business or consultant?
No, yeah, means consultant will do, right? Client will not do.
Okay.
Client
Hmm.
will just give the requirement. Like we want this. This is because, see, this is a part of configuration.
Right,
But
right.
number ranges.
Uh-huh.
Hmm,
Decision. I'm asking about the decision.
decision business will take, right? Client will not take.
Um,
Client will just propose the, all the, client will propose the different scenarios, like this functionality we have, this these features we have. So they will, business will put their requirement, like we want this kind of document type, we want this kind of, you know so see,
okay, okay.
reversal document type is K, which is standard given.
Okay.
Yes. Suppose
Okay.
these are the list of the document type. KR means vendor invoice, KZ means vendor payment. But business has come up, like in real time, in real projects, business has come up with a different. They want something, different document type. They have some requirement, some different kind of
Yes.
invoice to be posted. Okay, so they want, so they don't want to keep it in the vendor invoice. They want to bring that, all those documents in that separate document type. So that time consultant will have a discussion with the business, and then they will create a new document type. Okay. So that will be
Okay, understood.
custom document type they will create, and
Customer.
yes, custom document type they will create, and they will put this reversal document type also in that.
Okay.
If standard is the business requirement is not getting fulfilled from the all these standard document type, then custom should be created from the consultant side. Custom document type will be created, and in that reversal document type will be also mentioned. Correct. So now please give a heading, zero balance clearing account,
Yeah.
and see this zero balance clearing account. Actually, the third configuration is we need to assign the zero balance clearing account. So,
Hmm.
but to
Hmm.
assign this zero balance clearing account, we need to create first zero balance clearing account, right?
That's
Hmm.
defined.
Then
Yes.
only we can assign. So, because since we don't have, so we need to do. So, this is assignment is the configuration. Zero balance clearing account is the master data creation. This is not the configuration. Means it will not be saved in the TR. It is a master data. So now
Hmm.
let's proceed to create this zero balance clearing account. So write down the path, SAP menu, SAP menu, then accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting.
Wait, wait.
Okay.
Hmm.
SAP menu,
Okay.
SAP menu, accounting,
Hmm.
then financial accounting. Okay. After that, general ledger, financial accounting, general ledger.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. After general ledger, master records. After general ledger, master records.
Mm-hmm.
After that, GL accounts, master records. After that, GL accounts.
Okay.
After that, individual processing. After that, individual processing. Okay.
Okay.
After that, FS00 centrally. GL FS00 centrally means, in bracket you can write down GL account creation centrally. F, individual processing FS00 centrally. GL accounts. You can see the screen also. I have opened the path also. You can see the screen also. GL accounts, individual processing. After that, FS00 centrally. In bracket, you guys can write down GL account creation centrally. Okay. Done. Hello. I cannot hear.
Yes,
Yes,
bro.
yes.
Yes, yes. So please, done, right?
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Please now write down. Double click on FS00. You can see the screen. Double write down. Double click on FS00. Okay. And here you please for 1 second please see the screen. See, every time there will be
Mm-hmm.
different company code, there can be different company code. So after coming here we need to give our own company code. So please write down, give company code li01 in our case, Dilip Hyderabad based company code. Give company code li01 and give GL account 179000. 179000. Please write down GL account 179000. GL account.
ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిండా ఎక్కడ సో ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ 17900.
No, manually we give. Manually, see, means we need to manually put like company code. You mean you need to manually type li01. Same way, manually
Yeah,
I'm see. You can see this. Manually I'm giving 179000 manually.
means that is random number.
Random, yes. Random
Okay.
means I'm actually creating this zero balance clearing account,
Very good.
taking from this range, means from liability side I'm taking. I'm keeping it as a
Okay.
liability, but it effect will be zero, because every time this it will be zero balance will have debit is equal to credit. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
It is coming to nullify the effect. So but here I am keeping it taking as a liability 179000. Okay. Give GL account and company code. After that, click on create button. You can please see the screen. Here, click on the create button. White button you can see. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on the create button. Okay. After that, type and after that select balance sheet account radio button, because it is balance sheet account. Select balance sheet account radio button.
Wait.
Okay.
Hmm.
Select balance sheet account radio button, because it is balance sheet. And okay, and in account group,
Yeah.
in account group, from the in account group select current liability. In account group select current liability.
Okay.
And in short text, please write down the short text. Zero balance clearing account. Zero balance. Zero balance clearing account.
Okay.
Just a minute. Balance clearing. Zero balance clearing account. Okay. Now click on control data tab. Please give the short text and long text. Zero balance clearing account. After that, we need to click on the control data tab. Okay. Click on control data tab.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Control data tab. Please click on the control data tab. Okay. Now account currency. In account currency, please it is already coming from the company code. We need not to give any currency, so no need to write down this one. So under account management in company code, please select these two check boxes: open item and line item display. Please select open item and line item display check boxes.
Account management
Yes, and
in company.
just below account management in company code, we need to please select open item management and line item display check boxes. And sort key sort key is 001. Sort key is 001. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. You can see the screen also. Screen also I have opened. Open item management
Yeah,
and line.
see.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now click on the create bank interest tab. Okay.
That short key 001 means
Sort key means it is help, means it is help to doing the classification and sorting of the sorting of the document. So when I will
So all
post.
the time.
Yes. So means we have different sort key. See,
Uh-huh.
on the basis of cost center, if you have the cost center, right now on the basis of posting date, we want the document to be sorted. So when I will do the posting, that time I will explain this, no problem. The
Which
sort key, okay, no problem. So okay, don't worry, I will explain it. And I have to explain you guys the different dates also, like baseline date, payment date, due date. This is also is left. So please, that also, and sort key, and that these two things I need to explain. So I will explain it. Okay. So now please click
done.
on the create bank interest tab. Click on the create bank interest tab. Now you guys see, and in field status group, please select, please give G001. In field status group, give G001. Okay. In field status group, give G001 and select this post automatically checkbox. Select this post automatically checkbox. Okay. So first we clicked on the create bank interest tab. After coming to this tab, field status group, I am giving G001. Okay. G001 means balance sheet. This is for balance sheet related. Okay. G004 means expense account. If we have any expense cost account, that time we will select G004. Okay. Same if we have revenue, G029 is for revenue, means income. So right now we are creating this which one? If for asset C, you guys can see the screen for asset G007, okay, for bank account G009. So these all we can take. So right now we are select this G001 is for balance sheet liability. So I am selecting G001 simply. So depending upon the nature of the account, we will assign this field status group and field status group. And please write down this, select this post automatically checkbox.
Hmm.
And now see, now simply save it. Save it. Okay.
Yes.
Now you guys please tell me, like field status group helps in what? It helps in which doing which thing?
Balance sheet.
No. I am link. See,
Setting the transactions basis on the type of like liability.
no. But field status group, I explained. You remember? Please, you guys remember? Field status
Field
variant.
status
Field
variant.
variant. Variant. Yes. Field status variant helps in what? In getting which functionality field status variant helps us. You remember? I have explained you guys. This is the same field status. Actually, the same field status concept is it's coming here. So the field status variant will help in doing which thing? You don't remember? See, it helps in controlling the fields at a time of document posting. That's all. Correct.
Help to control the fields at
Fields.
time of document.
Correct. So it helps to control the fields. When it will help? When the document posting with the help of this GL, when the document will be posted with the help of this GL, that time this field status variant will help to, will control the fields. The same and field status group we are assigning to this GL. And in this field status group, different fields will be there. You see these fields, profit center fields, correct? Profit center, business area, this field will be controlled at a time of document posting. Okay, and this post automatically I have checked because this zero balance clearing account will come automatically. Correct. I posted.
Okay.
I posted right now. I did not give zero balance clearing account. Correct. Manually, it automatically triggered. Why? Because here in the GL master, this checkbox is given. This checkbox is selected.
Hmm.
That's why it will come automatically. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you guys have written tick this checkbox post automatically and save.
Yeah.
Okay. Now please write down next no configuration like this, 3.1 configuration, assign zero balance clearing account. Assign zero balance clearing account. Okay, assign zero balance clearing account, same path. You can write down same path as classified GL account. Same path it is. Okay, assign zero balance clearing account, same path as above. Same path means I'm telling
As
I'm telling SPRO path. Please means
yeah.
you guys don't get confused. This is not SAP menu path. This is SPRO path I'm telling. Same path as above for SPRO. Okay. Now double click. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Double click on define zero balance clearing account. Okay. Okay. Now select this line. Select this 000. See, come inside and you guys please write down. Select account key line. Select account key 000 line. Okay. Select account key 000 line and double click on accounts. You can see the screen also.
And
Select account key 000 line. Account key 000
hmm.
line. Double click on
Hmm.
accounts. Double click on accounts.
Okay.
Okay. And give our chart of account LOCA. Give our chart of account LOCA. Enter. Give chart of account LOCA. Then enter. Give chart of account LOCA. Enter. Okay,
Hmm.
after enter, click on new entries. Okay, and here we need to assign the same zero balance clearing account which we have created, correct? See, from the list, assign the zero balance clearing account 179000. From the list also you can get.
Hmm.
Assign the zero balance clearing account here. New entry, assign the zero balance, you can see the screen. Assign the zero balance clearing account and save it. Assign the zero balance clearing account and save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now please write down next fourth subheading. Define document splitting characteristics for GL accounting. Define document splitting characteristics for GL accounting.
Define.
Document splitting characteristics for GL accounting. Same path. Define document splitting characteristics for GL accounting. Same path. Okay. Now execute.
Same path means
Above SPRO path. Same previous SPRO path. You can write down same previous SPRO path. What I will do, you can refer. You can refer. You please write down refer the Excel notes. I will put it in the Excel. Now you guys need to understand a little bit this thing. See this one. See, refer the Excel, you can write down. Nothing to do. This is already by standard it is coming. We need not to do anything, but we need to check if suppose first time license is purchased or if anybody has changed anything. So just we need to check whether this functionality is there or not. So see here we need to just confirm, check business area business area. For business area zero balance is C activated. For
hmm.
business area this for profit center this zero balance is activated. For segment this zero balance is activated. Means for all these three fields zero balance will be working. Okay,
Okay.
and same thing is
Here
here.
mandatory field unchecked for
Yes,
segment.
so means that is not mandatory. We can skip this. Means this profit center and this business area is mandatory. This can be skipped. Okay, so these are the field actually field for this. So it can be skipped, and these two will be mandatory fields: business area and profit center. So we need not to do anything here. Just we need to be sure these all five things are activated. If we want,
Okay.
we can keep it also, no problem. But generally it is standard, so it is kept blank. So that's all. Huh? So this one is done. Please write down next subheading. Define document splitting for define document splitting characteristics for controlling. Next subheading. Define document splitting characteristics for controlling.
Define.
Document splitting characteristics for controlling.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on execute. Come inside. Click on execute. So I will put this screenshot also. You can write down the same path and refer the Excel notes. Same path, refer the Excel notes. See, I'm working so much hard for you guys. Correct? So please work hard.
Thank
You
you.
guys also please. So now see the screen. Let me explain this a little bit. Mm, See, these all are the part of cost center, cost object, profitability. I explained to you guys profitability analysis, COPA. So these all are the part of you know no part of controlling. So these things should be there. So by default it is there. So if something is missing, we can click on new entry, we can create, but no need to do, because these many things are enough for us. Sales order, this cost center, cost object, profitability segment. So these things are enough for us right now. These all have been given from SAP side standard. Okay.
Okay.
So now please write down next subheading, activate document splitting. Next subheading, activate document splitting.
These define post capitalization and edit.
No, no, not required.
Not
Not required. Activate. Please write down activate document splitting. Okay. Click on
okay.
execute. Click on execute. See, it is done at the client level. Means for particular company code, it is not done. First, you guys please see the screen. See, I have
Yeah.
executed come inside. Means, and what is our client in our ID system? Client number is, if you guys can remember, please. Our client number is,
Idea system
yes,
800.
800. Yes. See, so means this configuration is done at the client level. Okay. So means not at company code level. It has been done at the client level. Means it will be applicable for all company codes. Suppose if we have 4 company codes, if we have 10 company codes, it will be applicable for all company codes. It will be there by default. At the client level, it is done. Now, if now see this I have already explained you guys, right? Document splitting method,
Hmm.
documents, this should
Yes.
be there, this we need to be sure, like this checkbox is ticked, this inheritance helps in copying from debit to credit, credit to debit, right? So these things are there.
Hmm.
So I have already explained. Now see, since document splitting is activated at client level, in new GL accounting, correct? In classical GL accounting, we don't have this document splitting. Now we want to deactivate for a particular company code. Generally, it is not recommendable. Every business will have this document split. But suppose if business is rigid and wants this to be activated for a particular company code, we can deactivate. Suppose our company code is LI01. We want to make it inactive. We need to we need to check this checkbox and we need to save. Then it will be deactivated. Okay, but it is not recommendable. Consultant will suggest a business. It is means we need, you guys will need, what means business will not go for the inactive, right? Because business wants the report profit center wise, business area wise, and segment wise, right? So business will not deactivate, but we can do it, this functionality is there to deactivate. Okay. So
Okay.
now this one, let me put this also screenshot. So control V, this one. Okay. Now see, this is document splitting is activated for our company code. So means all three settings, zero balance, active, passive, will now work when we will do the posting.
Okay.
Okay. So now our GL topic is completed. We have completed our with this we have completed our GL configuration, GL accounting configuration. Okay.
Okay.
So now you guys have any doubt in today's document splitting? Any doubt?
It's clear.
Clear, Shavanti? आपको? Do you have
Yeah.
any doubt?
कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So you guys are clear with the this definitions. So please, the way I have explained, please the same way you guys prepare and same way you need to answer.